Is this the best budget folding saw for the money? Hi guys, this is my review of the Fiskars folding saw. It folds, it saws. It does both pretty well. The blade locks in place and the handle has a rubber grip with lanyard hole. Overall, it's a pretty good saw for the $12 I paid for it at Walmart. I wouldn't jump on any larger than 2.5 to 3 inch limbs or trees with this saw. Maybe a 6 inch in an emergency, but that would be a stretch. The teeth look like they are bi-directional, so it should cut on the push and the pull. It came out of the package pretty sharp. However, I don't know if you can resharpen these type of saw blades. Then again, I'm no saw blade sharpening expert.